Hello student, welcome to biology class. Today's topic is modification of stem. Modification it means change. What is stem modification? A change or deviation occur in the structure of stem to perform new function which are suitable to the surrounding environment are called stem modification. In flowering plant angiosperm, three types of stem modification are seen. They are underground stem modification, aerial stem modification, and subaerial stem modification. And three type underground, aerial, and subaerial stem modification. First of all, discuss underground stem modification. What is underground stem? Underground stem are modified plant structure that derive from stem tissue but exist under the soil surface. The plant which show underground stem modification not only store food material but also act as organ of pollination. They also help in vegetative propagation. Example, potato. These are divided into four categories. Underground stem modification. Number 1, stem tuber. Number 2, rhizome. Number 3, corm. And last, bulb. First, stem tuber, example potato, corm of Colocasia. Next, rhizome of ginger, rhizome of curcuma, longa mean turmeric, bulb of onion. Next, aerial stem modification. These are divided into five categories: stem tendril, thorn, phylloclade, cladophyle, and bulbil. They help in climbing, mean to say, spring-like structure that help in climbing, slender spiral coil structure developed from axillary bird as in gourd, cucumber, pumpkin, tendril in watermelon, or from terminal bird as in grapevine. Next, thorn. They found in many plants. The bud of stem may also get modified into woody straight pointed structure that called thorn. They protect plant from grazing animal. Bougainvillea. Next, citrus. Phylloclades. What do you mean by phylloclade? Plant of arid region modify their stem into fleshy flat and fleshy cylindrical needle-like structure that called phylloclade. They contain chlorophyll and carry out photosynthesis. Their leaves are modified into spine or scale leaf to reduce transpiration. Example, Opuntia. Next, Casuarina, needle-like phylloclade and fleshy phylloclade. Euphorbia, fleshy cylindrical phylloclades. Cladophyles. In some plants, the branches show limited growth to perform photosynthesis as their leaves are modified into spine or scales leaves to reduce transpiration. These leaf-like flat branches that resemble and function as a leaf is called clade. Next, bulbil. In some plants, the vegetative bud, floral bud store food material. When they detach from the parent plant, they develop adventitious root and help in vegetative propagation. These structures are called bulbil. You can see bulbil in Dioscorea. Vegetative bud is modified into bulbil. Agave. Floral bud is modified into bulbil. Bulbil of Dioscorea. Next one, subaerial stem modification divided into four categories. First one, runner. Second, stolen. Third, offset. And last, shuckers. All subaerial stem modification are useful for vegetative propagation, mean to say asexual reproduction. Runner, underground stem in some grasses and strawberry, and subaerial stem in auxiliaries spread to new niches and form new plant when older plant die. That is called runner. They produce branch in all direction and spread to have new niches. Example, strawberry runner. You can see a one plant run and new arising adventitious root that help in vegetative propagation. Next, runner in grasses. You can see node and adventitious bud in running plant. Next in auxiliaries plant. Stolon. These are the slender lateral branches arise from the base of the main axis and after growing aerial for some time arches downward to touch the ground and produce adventitious root. Nerium and jasmine. Nerium, stolon, mean to say some branches downward the surface touch ground and some birds produce adventitious root and produce new plant. That is stolon of jasmine. Offset. In some aquatic plant, Pistia and Icornia, a lateral branches of one internode length is called offset. They bear rosette of living leaves at each node and a tuft of balancing root arising from the base of the discoid. Mean to say, some Icornia have offset, commonly called water hyacinth, also known as terror of Bengal. Icornia, Pistia, that are aquatic plant, offset between two plants. Next one, Shakkar, the lateral branch which originate from the underground portion of the main stem. They grow horizontally beneath the soil and come out obliquely upward, give rise to leafy shoot. These branches are called shuckers. These are useful for vegetative propagation in banana, shuckers of banana, shuckers of pineapple, shuckers of chrysanthemum. MCQ. How many stem modified are seen in angiosperm? Right answer is 3. Which of the following underground stem modification? Right answer is rhizome in ginger. Stem tendril are slender, spirally cold structure in gourds. Which stem modification contain chlorophyll and carry out photosynthesis? Thorn, tendril, phylloclades, and bulbil. The right answer is phylloclades. Which of the following is a subaerial stem modification? Bulbil, phylloclade, stem tendril, and shakkar. The right answer is shakkars. Identify the plant which shows stem tuber. Right answer is potato. Which plant form new plant when older plant die? The right answer is runners.